The Elohim. Today is Sunday, December 28, 2025. Let us continue the contents of the intelligent design. The Elohim is an ancient Hebrew word which means those people who came from the sky. The word is plural and its singular is Eloha. Actually, the Elohim is from another planet which came to Earth 25,000 years ago and created all living things in this planet we call Earth. The Earth, when discovered, is all covered by shallow water on the surface, but beneath is the soil. So they developed it and created life. All kinds of animals on land and fishes in the sea. Later, they created human beings as what we are now today. Tonight, 9 o'clock on my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, I'm going to explain this scientifically in details. Please follow my Facebook page and thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.